I'm Steve from Lean. We're with Jordan from Precision Tube Laser today. We've been following along with them online, looking at all their content they've been putting out, all the great parts they've been putting out for years now, which has led us all the way full circle to today where we got their rack behind us. So I'll let you introduce yourself. And
yeah, I'm Jordan Yost from Precision Tube Laser. A couple years ago, we met these guys from Lean Manufacturing and really started working on a plan to solve some of our material storage issues. In my opinion, these guys are some of the best in the business to deal with, and that's one of the reasons why we partnered with them. And I'll tell you what, this rack is nothing less than amazing. So tell us what we got here and what the solution was for our particular problem.
Yeah, so when we visited you guys, back in January, we got on site, we looked at, what you guys are working with for material types, sizing, inventory levels, that kind of thing. Obviously factoring in sealing height. So what we have here is 60 by 120 returnable cartridges with our returnable pins allowing the cartridges to stack on top of one another outside of the rack. We maximize the height that you guys can use in your facility to really go vertical and create as much space as we possibly could. And then, the spacing just kind of aligns with the material types that you guys are using, predominantly being steel. So that led us to this configuration, 14 foot tall with 20 shelves that will keep all your guys' material always accessible, for any material that you need at any given time. And then obviously safe, to handle going in and out and maneuvering around in your shop. So, really the goal is no idle time on your machines. So, using this as kind of a supplement to keep those fed is really the name of the game, along with the space and the safety enhancements that we see along with it.
Yeah, I mean, it's going to be a complete game changer for us. I mean, we've been working old school now for almost 8 years, skids and pallets, all that stuff in and out of our shop constantly.
Yep.
And, just as much as we're growing up, now we're going to really grow up with the racks and the storage and how we're handling things, in our environment. And I couldn't be more happy about not only the decision for the rack, but also just the quality of it, the safety, the configuration, all those things that are really important to us for our workflow. So
yeah,
we really appreciate what you guys done. We get the TV as well, right? That comes with it.
Ask him.
Yeah, we're gonna get a TV, right? That's how it goes. But anyway, no, thank you. We're looking forward to a long partnership with you guys. You guys have been great. These guys are young, up and coming, just like we were, and it's exciting to see the moves that are being made here in the industry and how these guys are really controlling the market for material storage. So, I highly recommend it. We partnered with them for a reason. They have a very similar outlook as we do, business mindset, very similar. And yeah, man, it's just going to be a great partnership. We're really looking forward to the future.
Yes, sir.
Cool.